Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you idea that how to find and how to repair leak in cylinder head cover upper area. This is really interesting thing, and next I start my engine that we can see that leak. This leak position is in here, and we can go to look at what this oil leak look like. Okay, an oil leak looks like that we can see in there small particles of some thing, and my leak is in here in this area, and we can see that there is oil in that area, and next when I start my engine we can see more oil flying. Next I start engine and look this area in here, that area, in this area. Okay, and now there is also smoke coming out because oil becomes smoke when it's hot, and now we can see and we know that leak area, and it is like sensor area. Leaks comes from this area in here, and in here we can see those small drops, and now I have to open this bolt and also this connector, and then I add in here gasket glue in this area next. Okay, and I need now box head, this tool what fits in here. This is suitable, and then I open this bolt. There is one screw in here, and then I take my sensor away, and there is really, this gasket is now leaking, and I need new gasket in here, or then this some gasket glue in here. Okay, and really this is sensor, and in that area in here I have to add glue. Before of that I have to clean this area with cotton cloth. And now I clean, this is cotton cloth, I clean this area, all things, and also in that area where we had this leak. Yes, there is more gasket for this, like worn out in here. Okay, my gasket is too bad, and that's I have to add in here some gasket glue, and then we need to purchase like this Sika gasket glue what I add in here. Next, in this my sensor area And let's look at how I add this glue. Okay, and there's this my tool. I will little bit add this. This is like red, and I install this in my finger, and carefully in this side areas I install this glue only in this side areas, not in here, this side area, in that way all areas. Now there is this glue. Excellent. And remember that this area must be clean because this is sensor. And now I add this my sensor back in this way. Good. And then I clean all of these red things in their way. Good. And next one is my screw. It looks like that. And I install my screw in here. And then I locked this glue and this screw, and now this my oil leak repair is ready. And then I need to wait about 20 minutes to 1 hour that this my glue becomes workable, and then I can go to drive my car. Okay, and now we can see this my repair, that there is this glue, and now I have to wait about 1 hour, and then this my glue is enough to dry. Okay, and this is elastic specific car sealant and gasket glue. Okay, good, and now this fixed is ready, and I need to of course do test drive and check that there is no anymore this oil flying and spraying in this sensor area. Thank you.